할 수 있겠나? Gigantic. 빈다. There you go. Good morning, TV crew. We are back to side shop. Yesterday we ran out of the wood and then we went to the wood shop to buy a one sheet of the 50mm water. No, 50mm wood, not water. I guess I'm thirsty. So while we went outside, we decided to get the insulation too. I'm gonna show you this quite funny thing about TV right now. Let me show you. Ta-da! This is TV. You cannot see anything right now. So yesterday we bought the one wood 50mm, and then this is the insulations. I cannot put on my camera angle because it's really gigantic. We couldn't find the previous like insulation like we use in Korea because they don't have it, but instead of it we found the store that they're making a blanket or cushions for the furniture and bed, so we bought that gigantic marshmallow cotton wool.
1, 2, 3, go.
Guys, what we are doing it just, this is gigantic, and if we are not gonna clean up, we cannot work inside of the bed, so we're gonna cut separately and then bag it and then store it.
It's not bad stuff, huh?
그 슬리핑 백 이런 거에도 쓴단다. 사이드가 말해줬다.
Yeah.
I couldn't get it there.
Yeah.
Right?
Good, yeah. Right.
Guys, we packed most insulation. I'm gonna show you what we did. It's like really crazy. Let me get out and then show you. We have it in the car like this right now, 2 bags, 100 liters, so 200 liters over there. Okay, there you go. So this is the bags we did it. Actually, we use 10, like 100 liters, like we use a 10 of it's 1,000 liters of bags in there, and then this one we couldn't pack it up, so hopefully this week we can do everything and then put it to insulation so that we are not taking so much rooms. Look at that, it's amazing. Work is quite slow since last time we put the sidewall, and you guys saw the videos a few days ago. But during that work I got injured, my hands still I'm recovering. So without my hands and I cannot use it, Mark is working by himself. That is kind of causing the work delay. So Mark is doing by himself. Yes, it's quite heavy duty for him to do it by himself. But Mark is doing pretty good. He's making pretty good ones so far. And I'm gonna explain what we did after this one. This is the back area. You guys can see it's nothing in there, but actually it was something there. We just took apart for sanding the wood. There will be a cabinet bottom, and then there will be side frame to go supporting this area. You guys can see the lines, pencil mark. So cabinet go up to here, and then top part will be another sections, but it will not be that huge or big, but it would be like nice put some part of, you know, like little stuff like raincoat or whatever. You guys can see a little bit sagging down here, right? So that back cabinet will push this one up, make it straight. That's what we are planning to do, and we did. Now I'm pointing up here, the front. This work, actually it was like it started right beginning of the DIY van build, but we haven't finished it yet because we were not sure how the wall will fit in, and then the cabinet angles, it was quite tricky. I'm gonna show you here because you guys can see, you know, like the sitting on our original roof is kind of curvy, so we put the seam inside of the underneath of this, you know, bottom of wood. And then this one was quite tricky too because his angle is a little bit different with the right and the left, so we had to adjust a little bit. And then we just finished this bottom part of the covering areas. Covering areas. So yeah, we just finished it. Mark just say "maison" in French. That's the only one I know. It distracts me. But anyways, yeah, it has been slow. Yeah, I think we can finish this week front and back storage, back cabinet, and then paint it. So that's what we are gonna planning to do. 잘 먹겠습니다. Another couscous Friday, thanks to Eam's mom. 마크는 일하고 나는 나 뭐 삐어삐야. 찾을 수 있을지 모르겠다. 어디 갔노? There you go. There you go. Look at that. 너무 귀여워. 어떡해. They just born few days ago. Mama, don't kick them. Look at the 삐약. Okay guys. Oh, wearing a mask and doing some work is not easy, huh? So, as we say, we are gonna have a little bit of adjustment. We found a little bit funny things. We haven't noticed it when we are dry fitting them. So things we found is this one. You guys can see this long board. Actually, it will be top of the cabinet. Will be second cabinet will be up, and it should be angled same way. And I should do the better this way. So you guys can see, angle is not going same way. This one is going this way. This inside one is going this way. You should go same angle, but it's like a jig-jag with Mark. So I think when I was cutting, he wasn't like you know, pay attention that much, but actually I didn't notice at all when we were dry fitting, like, oh yeah, it's working, but actually it's not working. So Mark will cut a new one. Anyways, we want to have them like a little bit wider, like not like width will be a little bit longer, so he's cutting outside. So hopefully this time we go a same angle. Are you ready? Almost. What happened? What happened? I just say in the Korean way that like 귀신한테 홀렸다고. 귀신한테 홀렸다고. Those angles were like jig-jag, like whatever they wanted to, they go.
I'm not sure who did it.
You didn't.
We'll have to look at the film.
네가 했잖아.
Then he opened again.